Hello guys, as we all know, many factors affect Forex market, such as economic and news releases, and we have to know when these releases are coming out. We trade them or we don't trade them, it's all your choice, but you have to know when this data will be coming out. So it is very important to know the schedule of the news in Forex market. And in this short video, we're gonna talk about the best, in my opinion, economic calendar that I'm using every day to know when the news are gonna come out. So the calendar I'm gonna talk about is the one you can find on forexfactory.com website. You can see the address of calendar page, and you can go to this page from the main page, just clicking on calendar link. And first we need to set up the clock. So the clocks on the website will be matching our actual time. So you are clicking on the clock, and here you have to choose your time zone, DST settings, which means daylight saving time on or off now, and time format. For me, I prefer 24-hour, but you could choose AM, PM if you like it. So when you have chosen your time, you just click on Save Settings, and it's all saved. Then you see the time, and if it's the same as your actual time in your country on your computer, then you are all set. Now we go back to calendar page, and now time releases should be the same time zone that we use every day for living. Okay, so what we see here, first is the date of the news, then it's the time. You can see the actual time on the upper part of the screen, and then the time that the news will be coming out. Currency, which is gonna be affected by one or another news release, and impact. So it means just how strong or weak the news. If you click on detail, you can read about this news release, more information, but actually it's not needed. Then we see the actual, forecast, previous, and graph columns. So what it means? Actual, it's the actual number of one or another statistics, if it's possible to describe in number. If it's a speech of some politician, then it's impossible to be the numbers here. So you should notice that. Forecast, it's the forecast from analytics, and the previous number, it's the previous number from the same statistic just 1 week or 1 month ago, just the time when it was released last time. So actually, when the forecast is better than the actual numbers, we can see the actual numbers in red. When the actual numbers are better than forecast, we can see the actual number in green. And it is believed that if the actual number is better than the forecast, the currency will grow. It's good for currency. And the opposite, if the actual numbers are worse than forecast, it's bad for currency. And the currency pair will fall. but it's not actually like that. It's not always like that. So what we really need to notice from this calendar, what we really should pay attention to, it's the red news, red impact news. When these news are coming out, we just don't trade. Don't trade 20 minutes or 30 minutes before the news and the same time, about 30 minutes after the news, after the red news. Some people like to trade the news, but it's very, very hard. If you are professional trading the news, then my video is not gonna teach you everything. Just go and trade. But if you are just a rookie trader, just a beginner trader, don't mess with the news. Just don't trade it. If you see red news, don't trade 30 minutes before it and 30 minutes after it. What you should know from here is that the red news on American dollar, USD, they affect everything, every currency. And news related to other currencies just only affect this currency. So, don't trade the news. On the start of your trading day, just look if there are any news coming out, and if there are, then don't trade 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after the red news. Other news like yellow and orange, you just really may not pay attention to them. They are not important and usually don't make any difference to the price action. So that's all for today. Here with you was me, Pavel, you can call me Paul, and our website is tlab.biz. Bye, see you later.